There's a good chance you've already heard about LASIK vision correction. You've probably also heard that when it comes to your eyes, the only place to go for LASIK is the Pepose Vision Institute. Pepose Vision Institute is nationally recognized as a leader in laser vision correction. Dr. J. Pepose and his team share in a commitment to provide you with a lifetime of eye care.
I would say that it's a great procedure. It's a modern-day miracle, and I'm so happy I did it. I would recommend it to anyone.
LASIK can effectively treat astigmatism, nearsightedness, and farsightedness.
A little apprehensive, a lot of apprehensive. very concerned about the procedure, the idea of a laser, doing something to your eye.
Fear is the greatest barrier to having the procedure done. However, countless patients have told me after their procedure that they wish that they had come to me sooner.
I've heard about it for years, and I've talked to a few friends that have had it, and it seemed to me that this is too good to be true. It's worth looking into.
When it comes to their vision, patients quite rightly want the best. When it comes to LASIK, this means seeing their surgeon before and after surgery, having your surgeon involved in treatment planning, receiving a thorough preoperative evaluation, having multiple laser platforms to choose from, and being able to see their surgeon's vision outcomes for patients with similar problems.
I set up an appointment and went through a consultation that sort of eased some of the thoughts about LASIK surgery.
Patients are encouraged to take advantage of our free consultation, at which time a patient educator will determine if they are in the range of laser vision correction. The patient then proceeds to a thorough 3-hour preoperative exam, during which time their surgeon evaluates whether they are a good candidate for LASIK or whether another procedure is preferable for their vision condition. This preoperative information is then used to plan the procedure.
I had to get up early, and I made it to the office, Pepose office, and he started with a volume to calm you down. And that settles anybody down. There's a procedure during the surgery that he attaches a ring to your eye to hold it in place while he's doing the laser procedure. It's a very dull feeling. You really don't feel anything, but it's so much less than what you would think it would be.
Many patients leave the laser suite and can already read the clock on the wall. By the first post-operative day, most will drive to their exam themselves without the need for corrective lenses.
Literally after the surgery was done, I read something that I never would have been able to read without bifocals, and that was immediately after the surgery. Matter of fact, it was on the machine that did the surgery. It's just every day, every minute. I mean, your eyes are a very precious thing.
LASIK is performed with the use of numbing drops that work instantaneously, thereby minimizing any pain or discomfort.
The first night was the worst of it, and that was nothing.
People who are good candidates for the LASIK procedure include patients with astigmatism, nearsightedness, or farsightedness who want to minimize their future dependence on contact lenses or glasses, whether for work, safety, or play.
It's a modern-day miracle. Since I've had that surgery, I'm not a prisoner to any glasses at all, anywhere. And when I walk into a grocery store or whatever the case may be, it's great not to be a prisoner to glasses.
We were the first and remain the most experienced provider of laser vision correction in the region, and one of the few in the nation to provide our vision outcomes for review by potential patients.
Dr. Pepose, from start to finish, was so professional in every sense of the word. He explained everything in detail before, after, and during the procedure. I'm very comfortable to say and very happy to recommend him to anyone. It was his comfort level that made this a very nice procedure.
Dr. J. Pepose was the first to offer the LASIK procedure in the St. Louis region, and he remains the most experienced LASIK surgeon in the bi-state area. And while no one can promise perfect vision, the Pepose Vision Institute is dedicated to doing everything it can to assure lifelong quality vision for its patients. Call Pepose Vision Institute today at 636-728-0111 to bring your world into focus with LASIK vision correction.